Oh, traffic dito guys, ano? So may SM North.
Hey kid, don't ever
Dito na tayo, galing tayo ng airport. Nadiretso muna tayo kasi may kukunin tayo dito.
instead of everything you know that you can get.
SM North.
Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I
Holiday.
love with every
Chinese
breath.
New Year.
My
Traffic.
past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like
Yung ano
a
dito?
test. If only I
Kaya
could
pag natapos siya, no?
I tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself.
Traffic
test
dito,
yourself,
papasok.
Figure out what you like. Find your limits. Don't be
Papasok
rigid,
ng
always towards a prime.
SM
Surround yourself
North.
with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel
Ikot pa ako doon sa
alive.
likod,
Find a
kaya nandun
passion,
ng
take
ano
some
eh.
action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a
Kukunin ko.
statement, try to enjoy
Traffic
your
din eh.
life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown.
Sige na doon kay gutom na biyanong.
Doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
Halindi traffic, nandito sa mall mga tao.
Lose it, won't bother hiding my
Dami ng bagong gawa dito. Dito yata yung ano eh. Ayun ko lang saan yung bandang station ng ano, subway.
bliss.
Dito pala mga tao sa ano eh. Sa mall. Yan, daming ano dito. Traffic din eh. Traffic talaga dito. Similar. Traffic. Yun o. Parang pila ng mga taxi.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't
Pinanong.
wanna see me
Eh,
care.
dito na tayo sa likod.
Some progress, I can see that they
Ayan o,
compare. I think
likod parking.
everyone's against me, maybe
Pero
something
iwan ko lang kung mag-park ako.
paranoid, I
Kasi
swear
saglit
for
lang
this
naman to eh.
morning, and they're scared I walk a straight path.
Pick upin lang.
Say that.
Sana ano, di ako sitahin doon.
You better
Manda
pray
na naman ang
that I don't see your face at any place that
illegal
I know
parking.
you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting
Ay,
any more
God. Ang
time.
traffic dito dong.
I live for the fight and
Ang
the
parking.
climb. And I
Likod ng
think
ano,
that the pain that's deep
SM North.
inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make
Dito
it
kasi
to
ako
the
banda
top.
eh.
I don't care what's in my
Dito na ako sa ano,
past,
yung
never
pupuntahan ko.
gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back
Kaso bawal
up,
ata
'cause I
dito eh.
don't deserve a thing, and the world
May
ain't
ambon
had
pa oh.
stop.
May ambon pa.
They'll try to
Agoy.
kick you while you